Hey, what is up, boys? We're back again with another trading recap video, and what a day this was. Look at this. There are a lot of rules that we can take from these trades, in my opinion. And the first and most important is probably the importance of being able to take partials and the importance of trailing or stop loss, which is what I do. Because the reason I trail my stop loss and I don't actually take partials is because my account size is not that big. So sometimes in trades where my stop loss is pretty big, like here, it's like, if you look, it's like 500 ticks. You just don't have enough contracts to be able to risk like 0.5%, which is what I risk to be like able to even have contracts to trim, because if you enter with like 2 contracts, it's pretty hard to trim because you have to have like an entire number, so you can only have either 2 or 1 or 0. So let's say I enter with 2 contracts here, and like now I have 1 and I trim like 1 here. Now I only have 1 contract left here and I cannot take more partials. That's why I trail my stop loss, and this is bad placed. So I shorted. I shorted I shorted on 15 minutes. What is it? Yeah, so I shorted here. And before you ask me what the fuck is this, I don't know either. It was my bad. I thought like we were on the wrong time on the 5 minute time frame, and we were expecting this 5 minutes. So I entered off this shit, and then price just started moving, and I was like, no way, 20 minutes have passed, and I was like, what the fuck? So don't even ask me what the fuck is that. I'm lucky it went my way, but like I didn't even put like I risked very little on that. I don't know what the fuck that was. But yeah, the real trade is this. Why the fuck is it so close? It was not so close. Oh, because I moved it. Where did I even have my stops? Above this week? Not sure. But let me see. So this is my target. I'm sure about that. And my target was above a 5 minute wick, I remember. So this was the fair value gap. This. Okay, my stop loss was here. I didn't even notice price was as close to my stop loss as it was. I didn't even realize it was that close. But yeah, this is the trade that I took. Let me explain you why. Firstly, important to mention that we were expecting this daily bearish fair value gap right here at this point. Like we were here, as you can see the little dots. So we were shorting right here inside of this daily bearish fair value gap, and we had a very good setup. Like this was just Asia. No, this was London. This was Asia. We took no. Yeah, we took Asian highs, then yeah, which is basically ran, and London fell, and then news did not take London's high on NQ, but it did on ES. So this was like a very good jitter swing, and I want to mention this very good long that there was that I didn't take. I don't even know why. Maybe because it was on the 1 minute. I don't like trading on the 1 minute. We were being powered by this 15 minute and 5 minute bullish fair value gap, and we had this SMT. If you go see, yeah, we had the SMT right here, and we inversed this 1 minute with displacement, retrace, tapped in, and boom, we were able to target this. We're not able to target this, but the price moved so clean, it was so good. But what happened here, we actually put another SMT because we ended up taking this high, and NQ or ES, I mean, did not. So I was like, okay, that's pretty good for my entry, because I was bearish on high time frame bias, because we have been running previous day low, so that's just the continuation of my bias, you know. And basically, I was like, okay, let's wait for this 5 or 15 minutes to be inversed. 15 minutes was a bit smaller, so I was most likely targeting for the 15 minutes. So yeah, 15 minute gets inversed, 5 minute doesn't, quite honestly, but it's very close. Internal lows right here, so I'm like, okay, that's chill. I'm gonna take this. So I enter. Maybe I should have waited like for a retest of this bearish fair value gap. It happened, but I don't know. Maybe I should have not. I'm not sure. just remember, this is not price triggering my stop, it's just the macro indicator. If I look, yeah, see. So yeah, price end up moving, blah, blah, and it's about here on this internal low on the 15-minute internal lows, like right here. So I move my stops to break even, probably here I'd say. It was daily low at the time because we had not pushed past that, so this is no longer true. Let me close this. Fuck. Okay, so this is no longer true. And I said partials, but I didn't take partials because I had very little contract, so I just trailed. Then we inversed this bearish fair value gap right here, and I trailed my stop loss 2 above of this week, I remember. And then price ends up taking my wick, and it was a nice point to enter because price just fucked it after that. Now, there's about like 1 hour, 2 hours for market to close, and there's two options. Either market takes Monday's lows, and if we take Monday's lows, then I'm probably bearish. If not, I might be bullish because we are no longer inside of this daily bearish fair value gap, and I can trade all the way we target it. But if we see, we failed to take Monday's lows right here. So I don't know, my bias is pretty mixed. We have been taking lows, and today was just different. We took previous day highs right here. Well, let me open just normal NQ so I can show you like a cleaner chart right here. Okay, nice. So you can see like this is previous day highs, Monday highs, and we took them, but we did not take the lows like we have been doing for the past days. So now I'm not sure, because technically we're still respecting this daily bearish fair value gap, so we should be moving lower to take this low. This is my drawn liquidity. We should be moving towards taking this low, but on the other hand, we just took previous day highs. But if candle closes like right here, for example, which we are right here, if candle like closed very upper, we would leave like a massive wick. So I was like, okay, that's pretty good to maybe long. But if we're closing so bearish, it looks like just a kind of a liquidity sweep, like on a 4 hour, for example, where we just went to sweep like this liquidity, this highs, we didn't reach this highs, we didn't fill this fair value gap. On the hourly, maybe it looks better. Yeah, on the hourly, we swept like most of these highs just so we could power lower, which is a possibility, you know, as well as price most likely will inverse this 4 hour bearish fair value gap right here. And if we inverse this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, maybe we tap it into, maybe we can push lower. But my idea is that for let's say that Tuesday's lows are like about right here, and we do not take them during Asia or London session on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, of course. We might have some nice shorts towards it. Maybe if you're confident, you can hold it all the way to Monday's lows. And if you're very confident, you can even try to hold it all the way to the 4 hour LRL, which we have been trying to reach it, but still didn't quite get our trade towards it. But we'll still get it, you know, just not yet. But yeah, this was my trade of the day. This is the importance of trailing your stop loss. Things that maybe I should have done. I should have waited maybe for the 5 minute to be inversed as well as the 15 minutes. I did not get stopped here, but maybe it was quite lucky. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, that's about all. We also filled this OB, so that was another confluence. We filled this OB. So yeah, which support was lower. So yeah, this is my setup. My expectations for tomorrow pretty much depend on how today closes and how tomorrow morning plays out. Like, I would like to give you like a specific answer on how tomorrow's price action will be. Yesterday I said we would be bearish on Tuesday, and guess what? Tuesday opened right here. No, Tuesday opened right here, and right now we are right here, so we are clearly bearish, so I was right. So yeah, I'm not sure for Wednesday. I'll see. If I don't like the setup, if my drawn liquidity gets taken before New York, I'll just not trade. That's always the best option. Saving capital is better as losing it. So yeah, these are the lessons that I have. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later.